Petunia, guys. She's just arrived. Petunia, mama. She wants food, guys. She doesn't bite me. She wants food. Petunia's here, guys. Petunia. Beautiful princess. Look at her little face. You're so beautiful, mama. She lets me know that it's her because she comes very close to my personal space. And that's how I know she's Petunia. Beautiful mama. She's just arrived. She's just arrived. Look at this sweetie. Look at this sweetie. You are so beautiful. You're the most beautiful thing in the world. You're a little angel. You have so many fans, Petunia. You get so many comments. You're gonna get a better camera soon, Petunia. Oh, look how beautiful she is.